Stop storing me in the door. Temperature changes spoil me faster. Back of the fridge only. Don't wash me yet. Moisture makes me rot. Wash right before using. I don't expire. Crystallizing is normal. Warm me up.
Light kills flavor. Heat kills flavor. Move us away from the stove.
Counter first. Fridge later. Cold kills taste.
Freezer smells? We absorb that. Seal us tight.
Uncut stays out. Cut goes in. Pit helps slow browning.
Put flour in me. I block pests and moisture. Freeze it first if you want. Problem solved.